Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Rio. So for today's video will be a Korean skincare review featuring this one, the Tosowoong Enzyme Powder Wash. If you want to know my thoughts about this, keep on watching. Alright, so let's go straight to the claims of this product. This enzyme powder wash deep cleanses pores to wash away all the buildup like sebum and dead skin cells. With papain enzyme loaded with vitamin E, this cleanser lathers up to leave skin soft and clean. Since it's a powder cleanser, it's super travel friendly. A little goes a long way with this unique and gentle cleanser. So that are their claims. So basically, this is just a powder cleanser. I will be flashing the complete ingredient list, but here are the few irritants that is included in the ingredients. It has sodium lauryl sulfate, alcohol denate, papain, perfume, and badger oil. So if your skin is reacting to some of these irritants, please stay away from this product. Pero dahil hindi naman ako sensitive skin and I don't react to those products, my skin is working great with this one. For the pH level of this product, this has 5.5 pH level. It means that it's almost in the same pH level of our skin. That means when you use this product, your skin will not be stripped off of your natural oils na healthy para sa skin nyo. Now for the product amount, this has 70 grams of powder enzyme inside. And for the price, which is $11 in Yes Style, for me, I have been using this for 3 months now, since December, and I can still see until here this much amount of product sa loob niya. So that means it will really last you for a long time. I will be showing you a video of how I use this product in my skin. You just need a dime size amount of this product in your palm, and then put a little bit water, lather it up, and it really suds up. Katulad ko, na-enjoy ko yung mabubulang mga cleansers. This will really give you that foamy feel that you like. And if you don't want the foamy feel, wag mo lang masyadong i-lather up. Hindi na siya ganun ka-foamy. This also can work as your physical exfoliator because maliliit na beads na na-dissolve sa water. So if you want to use it an exfoliator, you can. Wag mo lang masyadong i-dissolve sa tubig yung pinaka-powder wash. You can use it on your face. And as you lather your face like that, madi-dissolve naman siya. So it works as exfoliator and cleanser if you feel like doing that. It smells like clean, not like a detergent scent, pero clean yung amoy niya. Hindi siya masyadong matapang sa ilong na sasakitan ka ng ulo or it stays longer habang naghuhugas ka ng mukha. No. It smells clean. It smells like newly washed bedsheet. Ganon ang amoy niya. So if you like that scent, I personally like that scent, yung amoy malinis lang. You will like this as well. So if you're wondering bakit siya naging travel friendly, as you can see, yung pinaka-nozzle nung container, konti lang, maliit lang yung butas niya. As you can see, yung sa gitna lang lalabas yung pinaka-product, and yung pinaka-gilid niya, doon yung reservoir ng product. So, hindi mo siya mabubuhos ng marami in one go. So, talagang super safe and super travel friendly nitong product na to. Now, if I am going to rate this from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, I will give this 4. I think with this product, you will really get the most amount of your money just because it has a lot of product in here that will last you for at least 6 months. And the smell is really enticing. Napaka-clean nung amoy niya. And it really works for me in cleansing my face. I don't feel the tightness after I wash it. And I really like it. You've reached the end of this video. I hope this helped you if you're planning to purchase this product. And if you're already using it, please leave a comment below sharing your experience so others can check. And if you're planning to purchase this, leave a comment below as well. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you're not yet subscribed, please hit the red button below and don't forget to hit the bell. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!